At the house. Here's a high drive to right field. This has a chance to carry and go out, and it does. A home run for Drew Doty. And it's now 5-2.
Well, that ball right there was crushed. Wind or no wind, that's a 400-foot plus shot right there. And as you can see, Drew, not a real big guy, but generates a lot of bat speed. Danger zone right there, down and in pitch to a left-hander, and he deposits this very deep here in right field.
Any doubt to why they wanted him in the home run derby? 5 homers now of the year, and a souvenir for a couple of youngsters out there. 21 RBIs for Drew Doty now.
Put out the flag. We'll wave the flag.
Hey. I'm waving to Willis. I'm just kidding.
Yeah. Thank you.
I got a good joke for you.
Okay. About an elephant?
Yeah, take that.
Wow. I'm telling you, never seen a zone like that.
That one is deep, and Doty has left the yard.
Ties the school record right there.
For Drew Doty.
You can't get him out. You can't get him out right now.
Number 9 of the season.
That's great. That's awesome.
And his 4th home run in 2 nights. And the Cowboys now lead this one 2-0. Drew Doty. Batting third in center field. Number 2, Drew Doty. The cleanup hitter at first base.
Group was it?
Gator has runners on at first and second. Nobody out. Brings up the center fielder for the Cowboys. Number 2, Drew Doty.
Come on, Drew. Get a hold of him. He's going to have to pitch to you. Get out of here! Get out of here! Yeah! Attaboy! Yeah! What a bomb! And it's on video. Record setter right there, number 10.
Drew Doty with a 3-run homer, his 10th of the season. RBIs number 29, 30, and 31.
You didn't text me. When?
Hey man, no wonder you don't got no MySpace left, man.
Back for the Cowboys.
What are your good chance of your stuff?
Number 35,